Welcome to the Growth Theory, where we turn big ideas into bite-sized brain snacks. Today's topic: how to hack your brain without a PhD, lab rats, or giving up sugar. Want to hack your brain without a lab coat or a time machine? Use small wins. They're basically psychological candy, but without the cavities. Meet Neha. She had one mission: get fit. Her strategy? Go big or go home. She spent so much, she half expected her abs to show up with the receipt. But surprise, the only thing that got lighter was her wallet. So Neha changed her game plan. Day 1, she went for a 5-minute walk. Day 2, just 10 squats. Day 7, she jogged a little without collapsing. Victory. Here's the science. Each small win released dopamine. That's your brain's way of saying you rock, with confetti. Turns out, your brain is a bit like a golden retriever, just wants a treat and a pat on the back. Here's the deal. Your brain craves closure. That's why ticking a checkbox feels like winning the Olympics in your pajamas. Big goals? Don't chase the mountain. Just focus on the next step. Build success like Lego bricks, not with boulders. Unless you're planning to get fit by lifting emotional baggage, please don't use boulders. So the next time you feel stuck, remember Neha, start small, stay consistent, because tiny wins aren't tiny to your brain, they're power-ups. If this gave your brain a little aha, go ahead, check off that mental checkbox by liking and subscribing to the Growth Theory. Because growth isn't about giant leaps, it's about the small, silly, unstoppable hops.